Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to adjust spacing on Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Wix, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adjusting spacing in Wix can help you control the layout and appearance of your website, ensuring that elements look well organized in a line. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the website that you are working with. And inside the Wix editor, I want you to click on the add elements, if not yet. Click the change text or the settings here. Now, as you can see, there's going to be an option here on the design if you hover down below. You see that there's the theme, fonts, and there's going to be the character spacing. You see that? When you hover down, you have the ability to control the spacing. All right? It's up to you. Depending on your goal here on Wix. Okay, but for now this looks good. And the line spacing as well, you can adjust that. All right, because doing so, you can of course ensuring that the spacing between multiple elements are equal. All right, that's one way. Now, another way for you to adjust spacing on Wix is right click on your interface or the active screen, click on the section layout, go to content. You have the option to reset image proportions, and of course that would adjust the spacing as well for your contents here on Wix editor. And also you can also adjust the mobile view spacing. For example, hover to the mobile view. And of course, you can drag all the elements that you wanted here to adjust spacing. You can hide some elements in mobile view to reduce clutter, which can also help improve spacing. Because Wix allows you to enable rulers and grid lines like this one to align spacing elements. And this feature helps you do that. Can also assist in ensuring consistent spacing between elements. Alright, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.